In this video, I will guide you how to fix Bluesky app not working problem. If you're facing this issue, then the first thing you want to do is head over to your settings. Once you get to your settings, tap on apps or app management. A list of all the applications will be shown. Go ahead and select Bluesky from here. Now scroll down and tap on the storage option. Then tap on clear cache. Now head back. Here tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open Bluesky and check if your problem is fixed. If it's not fixed, then you want to check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a secure internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You also want to turn on the flight mode. Once you have turned it on, wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then simply turn it off. Once you have turned it off, once you have been connected to internet, launch open Bluesky and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to open Play Store or App Store. Here search for Bluesky. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. Once it has been installed, launch it open. Now see if your problem has been fixed. Sometimes the issue might be with the Bluesky server. To check that, you want to open any web browser. Now type in Bluesky server, head over to any reliable website such as Town Detector or head over to status.bsky.app. This is the official website. Here you should be able to see if there's any issue within the server. If there is, you simply want to wait for few minutes to few hours, and once they have fixed the servers, you can simply use the application. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.